Hey guys, it's me, Sethblocks here, and today I'm with my grandma. She's gonna show you how to fix a broken lunch pail.
No, I'm just gonna fix your lunch pail, that's it.
Well, she's gonna show you how we're doing it. So we're gonna use a sewing machine. Describe why you like
I need your lunch pail.
Describe why you like your sewing machine.
I like my sewing machine because it's small and it's very easy to use.
Okay.
Can you get your lunch?
And this is our lunch pail. Its Velcro is breaking again.
So we put the Velcro on, but it's so strong that it pulls it apart. So we're gonna sew it, if we can, so that it doesn't come apart anymore.
Check this out, guys.
Get that to stay on. There you go. Where's my little? Oh.
So it's on. Voila. So I'm gonna move it out.
Noodle out. The needle out.
The noodle?
The noodle. We got
This
noodles, and then here's our
thread, strings.
cut it.
So we're gonna need a pair of scissors. So that's why we have scissors right here, without supervision required. And using them.
At least these aren't the
Don't say company names.
Oh, don't say company names.
Yeah, it'll probably become copyrighted and
At least it's not our cut blank scissors.
yeah, our kitchen scissors.
Alright, so I did it once,
Now,
and you can see it's all sewn on in there, so that when you hit this on here.
doesn't rip apart.
Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and sew this, just so we make sure it doesn't do it on this side either.
Yes, always make sure you know that it's still safe, even if you fix, even if one part is having problems. So you can see, now we've done this one.
So now both sides are hooked and sewn and all good to go. Your lunch pail won't fall apart anymore. I'll do the other side too, but I don't think we need to show that in a video, do we?
No. So, why we
And I want to
didn't,
redo this one too.
why we didn't just do the part that was broken is because we want to make sure it completely stays together. You're looking at the tip. Exactly what's going on.
Absolutely unreal. This is for my team. This is for the Marley manager, from the dishwashers to the manager. So thank you to everybody that's believed in me. This is for you guys.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm just showing them another angle
Okay, now I'm going to do the other side.
again. Oh wait, the actual other side.
Yeah. I just did that one twice because it's the,
Side was breaking.
Okay, go ahead and turn your video off because I got to fix this.
So that was us fixing a lunch pail that has Velcro. Bye guys. Say bye.
Bye.